Like, control it, please. Thank you.
When me see you on Mother's Day, and you say forgive me, you didn't mean that?
But remember you say,
Mm.
yeah, go make up back everything and
Mm.
all of them something.
Mm.
You not start doing nothing at all.
You know what?
You not start doing nothing at all, nothing.
I mean by me not start the nothing at all.
Well, alright, you start. Well, I'm see.
Let me tell you something. Both of us was wrong in the whole situation here. But I decide to be a bigger person for say sorry, don't. And when I said sorry to you Mother's Day, I think when you said you upset my apology, right? And I told you I will make it back up to you, right? You said okay. But it seems to me like the chance where you give me are where you say, okay, we're good. The energy where you give me is not. It's more said okay. But it seems to me like the chance where you give me are where you say, okay, we're good. The energy where you give me is not. It's most likely I feel your comment section and me have to prove things to people.
No,
You understand? Why it's like that?
you understand. You don't understand.
Oh, I understand.
I'm gonna make you understand now.
Mm,
Me nah do nothing for nobody.
mm,
Me not do nothing for nobody.
mm,
You see me? Me and you in a
mm.
something. Me and you in a something. And you come out here and tell everybody one whole heap of fuckery.
What you do? Okay. And I said I will apologize about that, right? And then may I make it up to you, or you may I make it up to, not your chat. So let me ask you the next question because the whole life is right here. So why last night when I call you hang up the phone, I noticed you send me a your woman, but you never get back to me for the rest of the night. Right? Why?
When you call me, I'm up on the live, me there play one match.
Yeah, but this year you did I get a look of
Hang up
entertainment
the
when
phone.
the girl didn't wind up her body and you did whatever, enjoy yourself. I saw you. I text in your comment. You pretend like
Hang
you
up
don't see me. You pretend like you don't see my comment and you hang up the phone. And you say me are your woman, but I don't see a phone call for say baby, alright, good night.
me I
You
show you.
understand?
No say, hold on now. Banana.
Mm,
I'm gonna show you. Yeah, and when you come on the live, I see when
mm.
you come on the live, you never comment. You see, after you call me yesterday, I hang up the call, I'm dep on the live, I'm send you one text right after that. You never reply, I call you after that, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you because you say me not call.
Where you have to show me? Where you have to show me for? Why you have to show me for?
Why you say me not reach out back?
Why would you have to show me? Which as well you know that you never really reach out to me
Because
last night. You
no,
stay from
because
your life.
tell them say me reach out to you after that and you not answer that. You have to tell
Reach
them.
out to who
Why
after
you
that
make it look
one?
like say you call me, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back no time after that.
Bro,
Bro,
so
you ever make
hold
things look
on,
bad for me,
why you
bro?
get ignorant? Because the whole time you did over there a flirt with who you want to flirt with. Just like in your comment section. So why you get so ignorant? Why you not like when we really talk though? And not only that, it's like you said the whole energy thing don't happen, right? And it's like you come out and you just keep on just emphasize on it, like you just dip on it, dip on it. But if you say if you give a person you move on, like I don't see the level of move on. Guys, may I beg on some taps now, please? Guys, I can't have so many people over here so on my life. I'm alive looking like this. God no. You can't ask any question you want to ask.
After I end the live last night and I try reach out back to you. Where were you? Why weren't you answering?
What you mean by you try for any live last night? You know long made upon your live last night. What you mean by try to reach out to me last night?
Listen.
Mm, mm,
After I end the live
mm,
last night and try
mm.
reach out back to you.
What time you reach out back to me
Alright, give
last
me a
night?
second. Give me a second. I'm gonna look on the time.
Oh, maybe when you please yourself, you feel like some of answer your phone call.
Alright. You call me 8:38
Yeah, mama
PM.
see it. Mama see it now. Mama see it now.
Alright, what I
Mama
do I go
see
feed?
it.
I go feed.
Yeah, go feed. Full of style like what? Guys, thank you. Guys, help me catch his speed, guys. Oh my god.
See that?
Help me catch his speed.
You call me 8. This is when me dep on the live.
Mm.
You see me? Me text you back right away. Me say I'll call you right back. You send me
Mm-hmm.
a message and delete it. Look at the calls.
What they call it? What they call it?
I call you 9:39. I call you 9. What that?
Yeah, what? Done. Big man, that's done. Done. Cause some play like a Dalios thing, this ratty
Yeah,
boy.
alright, man. You see what I see? Yo. Jaja. I don't know. You just.
Oh, good
Jaja.
man. We're good. Don't make it be a scene. It's all good. Don't make it be a scene, sweetheart. Me and you both know. Don't do that. Guys, thank you. I'm watching another lady for me.
A while ago, she come and she say, after she reach out to me, me not reach out back to her, none at all. She make it look like, say, yo, after me end the life, me not reach out to her, none at all. I'm reach out to her, and she not answer.
No man, prove it to your chat, make your chat feel good. Make yourself feel good also. You want to put some for me? Yeah, I can get me some cool for drink. We're done, right?
Yeah, pretty more you done.
Yeah, we're done.
Alright.
Thank you, baby.